Hi guys, Postman's bin. I'm rather hoping this will be electrical connectors. Electronic parts. 20 times. Yeah, that should be some more JST connectors because I've run out of them again. Trouble opening it. That's better. Oh yes. There we go. It's these ones that I run out of. Well, I suppose they're the males because they've got the spikes in them. And those must be the females. Those are the ones that come on the batteries. And those are the ones that I use to connect up to the motors. So I need more of them than I do of them because the batteries have got them on already. If I wire up one of my cheap radio controlled receivers out of a toy car, then I put those on the output from the receiver, motor 1, motor 2, or forward, backward, left, right, and then solder those directly onto the motors so we can plug them in and swap them from car to car.